morning is
My
Terry.
people. Wait till they happen. Lagos City was good, my people. Can I share
Yeah,
that?
nothing much
It's
though.
nice to be here.
Yeah,
I
nah.
like the day. Now only if I talk pigeon, any I like.
Oh yeah,
So I like to be called.
don't worry, you don't look five woman. I don't say
five-
don't get type man.
I get hype, man. I feel space D for
Five woman,
everything.
don't worry. You don't see the hype woman. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you don't hear the voice of a Terry. Yes, a lot of people they call her Starboy Terry before, but now he say you don't shift. Come
No, I
on.
don't shoot. A lot of people, my name not Terry since. I just
But-
my social media handles. I need to make people. You know, say a lot of people they
Yeah.
used to it and they always see. So like
Okay.
they see Starboy Terry on like social media. They used to always. But my name like for my music, my
Yeah.
videos, not only.
So,
Terry.
but normally the Starboy waiting for your name. We be there on top social media normally now because of the fact say you did for that whiskey Starboy
Yeah,
record
exactly.
label,
So
right?
now when I do not start, I will just do them so that people will feel say okay, there's some kind of affiliation.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so-
See who Terry be actually.
Terry now just one young boy where they try hustle, they
Okay.
try make a living within music because now the only
Yeah.
thing where I get what they do.
Yeah.
I did sign to Starboy, fortunately for me.
Mhm.
And I just try hustle basically, man. I don't do some song back to back. Some way you know, some
Okay.
way you don't know. Maybe not. I don't do. I'm more the come, man, more the come. And I come here today to come. As you don't talk, I'm not.
No need for you to talk
Hey,
about that.
you know
one
when I talk
yet.
now, just when I talk about
just see,
myself.
hold on, just about yourself first.
I
Who
don't
be
talk
Terry, who
everything
Terry
finish
be
now.
that
I
song.
just be musician. I
Okay.
do it too. I know I don't like stress. I just stay on my own.
You never tell us your real name.
My
because
real
na
name
Terry
actually, my
they
real
call
name
you.
actually Terry.
Okay.
The only difference between my real name and my stage name is say that why we did for normal Terry. I
Yeah.
come out and come put I. So
Okay.
for my stage name, like my music name, is TERRI.
Okay.
But like my birth name, my mama and my papa give me na TERRY.
Okay,
Yes.
yes, you don't hear the voice. So, all right, talking about you starting music at a very young age. We like I read down for some. You see, they talk so you start music at the age of maybe 14 or 15.
I'm younger than that. I don't
Younger
know-
than that?
Yeah, so I don't know do music, but I know I know carry am go
But
studio.
officially,
Yeah, officially
which
I
age
did,
you
I did my
start
first
music?
song when I did 15 years old.
okay.
Yeah, so I've been in secondary school. I've been doing they sing everywhere. So one of my guys just come that time. One guy, you know, if new students come now, new
Yeah.
students go one ginger, you say waiting they happen.
Yeah.
So me, I don't do all the old students don't know me. Say now this new guy just come say, bro, if you carry this thing go to the I guess to you if you run this thing. And
Yeah.
from there we just run and put money together and
Uh-huh.
we just go run and from there. I know saying that this thing, you might say.
You know what mention your secondary school so that the people
My
wey
secondary
dey-
school now Whitehall, we
Uh-huh.
did Iju side, Fagba side.
Okay.
Yes, now they
Okay.
always rap every time.
Okay.
But I did chop, I did beat me. I did troublemaker.
Why they say people wey be say they get small stature? They dey always look for trouble.
Now because na the only thing we fit do. You could just want show say okay, oh, you there.
Okay, and still talking about your music, say you start at a very young tender age. How the love and support be right from that age where you start?
You know, say that time, to start, it did very appealing. One of the things that they appealing to people now say they see young boy, we just small, if you do a lot of things, if you sing, we say a lot of people they move together.
Yeah.
So that one already don't make some people kind of support me. Like the young people of my generation, they look say okay, oh, be like say something don't they happen, or young people don't they come. He himself they inspire them that
Yeah.
time. So that the support been very very good when I come start like because we get a lot of us that time when we just they start together.
Okay.
So we just form like movement and we just they go and from then to now everybody don't they do wonderful things.
Wonderful things.
Yes, so.
Okay, talking about love and support, still, I don't read about it before you come. I don't get chance. I need to do research. So what of the research will I do? I see somewhere so they talk to you be the first child.
Yes, I'll be the first
The
child.
first
of
child.
my
So,
family,
you know, say as a first child, you need to carry your siblings along.
Yes,
And so, waiting you go talk, say, be your inspiration so far, being the first child of your family, carrying your siblings along, and how the pressure to be that first child be for you.
Okay, for me, the way I do my siblings, I always let them know, say, like, even from the way we take grow up, everybody knows, say, oh, we be family, but you guys stand for yourself. You guys don't know what you want to do for yourself. So me, since I don't do my music, I don't show them from house. Sometimes they will beat me, they'll come out, I'll come out house, all those kinds of things. I don't show
So you say that they will beat you. Who they beat you? Your
Like,
younger brothers
you know, my
will beat
parents
you.
will beat me if I come out house now. They will
Okay.
beat me, say okay, they come out. I'm not supposed to come for that kind of time. So all those kind of things, I don't use them, show them, say bro, if you want to do something, if you really want to do you go do you go find we do A lot of things will come, people say go do your way. If you say after they do music, if you know guys the compose say you know even guys like the music. You don't even guys like the song where you just know what thing you want to do for your own self. And me, as anything where I don't learn, we don't say as that I may be first speaker, I for don't see like some kind things first before you. I will just try to advise you, but at the end of the day, now you will do what you want to do. So the love don't do there. We date together. We get that kind togetherness because at the kind of we see our parents don't put for our minds since when we this small.
Okay. So Terry, talking about dropping out, when for your life you can't decide, say you won't drop out of school.
I know I actually drop out of school.
So why did it? Because we talk about it, people say, okay, Terry, say you study something pertaining to business, something.
People like
say you can't drop out, you know.
Me, I don't drop out of school.
Hey, let them know now. Say you no drop out of school.
The thing where happen be say when I get the time where I get admission, well, I don't even go class like 4 times. But the same, now that kind of same time, they sign me, I do soccer, all those things when they happen.
Yeah.
So I don't know say this kind of music where they enter. I go take my time where and this school server will equally take as much time. So I go school and I defer. Like I tell them say okay, this year I know I just focus on my music. Now what happen with that? Don't be say because me I write jam like 3 times. I go write jam 3 times. Come up for school.
Wait. You write jam 3 times.
Yes,
so when you can't get the
say,
actual.
the funny thing is say I write, all the times where I write jam I get admission. For my first jam I get admission. My wife, the council, all my this thing for the center, the council everybody. Second year the same thing, the council everybody. So the third year I just look say. Third year I can write like 3. I so if I know if I write I go write I go share something to go enter. And so I entered. So the 3 years I was like I some school now something to say before I don't even finish secondary school. My body don't because I know say if I go school I go sit things so we say go ginger me, I go meet people, I go and the school I won't go I know say I know see this school go ginger my peace. So now my mindset with that. So as it's up, come be like say God don't do everything together. So I really guys like say okay, what you want to they don't do it for you. So just but the rep steady still.
When you eventually come meet with Whiskey, because I believe say Whiskey could be your idol.
Yes.
You know, so how you feel, how the joy for your mind?
I'm on a very, very amazing feeling because as I just say, I ain't just mention my name. So that alone don't bust my head. I be like, hey, you mention my name for me, man. We never even meet before. So it means say he don't already go know some kind of things about me. So that already just give me the kind ain't come on cap where I from my say, don't wear this kind of thing again. You don't meet. So that alone was a great feeling as in like that one. So from there I just know say the way I say don't stop.
You don't stop.
Ojoro. Baby mash Ojoro. Listen now Corona just because we it was
I feel now. Start by telling who be the lady where you even do this Ojoro for you? When they shout Ojoro that time.
Ask me, but listen me, I don't experience so many things at different point of my life. So I feel always bring them back at any point. You know me say maybe like now that time where I sing I'm not happened to me. I get even my friends' stories, all those ones that they tell me, all the gist, you go there somewhere at the back of your mind and you can always apply it to like
your music, your song. So talking about Valentine, how far you get Val?
I never get Val.
And you dey sing, you dey. How many days you dey can't tell, Terry? So wetin happen to all those girls when they come around? You never see anyone where you want.
You know, see, all plenty girls will come around, but the one you go say you go choose to be your Val.
Yeah.
Hey. That one, but I never get that one.
Never get that one.
But if now I did available with any person, I don't even tired to just think of vow. Now only person just take me say, okay, today I choose you as my vow. I won't spoil you. Like, so if I don't sit down, kind of me say I go look.
So indirectly, they say make the girls when they listen to you right now, make them shoot their shots.
I do for you.
You know that among the guys, they say when the girl shoot shots finish, she go just hear another thing at the end of the day.
Another thing like what?
No, like say you go give am a loud juke.
No.
You sure?
I don't do like that.
You sure?
Yes, now if our vibe connect, why not?
Why not? Yes, so only for you.
3 in 1. Okay, I'm gonna be 22 in May.
May?
Yeah.
Okay, May 27.
Yeah,
Children's Day. Okay.
I'm going to 22, May 27.
Terry, what will be your long-term plan and your short-term plan?
Yes, so this short-term plan, this one we just drop. You know, it's a day town now. They try like make people make it day everywhere. And on long term, I don't talk about before. See, I work on my project. Like you see now, my fans they ask me for, so I got to deliver like I don't like a lot of singles, and I got to put them in give them body of work. So
Yeah.
that's what's in my long-term plan with that. More videos, like when we can finally go out and then we will do our link up, meet up together. But we still do some low-key meet up once. So I engage with my fans. So anyhow, if you still get the chance to see me, you never know. I will just enter your DM, say make we link up now. That kind of thing. But yeah, thank you. I want to thank my fans. Thank you them. They be the real MVP. And them get me, man. And because of them, I ain't all this ginger I did for, man. Thank you, man. I will not go stop. We will continue to go in Jesus' name.
Amen.